Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw salt and pepper pots. I'm going to start at the bottom here. I'm going to go up, 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 and around and down again. And then I'm going to join that at the bottom. And then I'm going to do exactly the same, up, 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 and around, stop and join at the bottom. Then we come around and down like that, and up and around, down to the side and around and up. And then here we're going to want to knurl the bottom. That's knurl with a K. So there's little lines and grooves which let your fingertips get hold of what's going on for twisting, so you can untwist and fill it up again. Now the salt is just going to have a little hole at the top, and the pepper is going to have quite a few. Just like that. So we'll put an S. Let's make it a fancy S like that. And a P with a double bit there and around like that. Bit of shadow. And let's put them on the table. And there you go. How to draw salt and pepper pots. Real easy. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.